Well, today we are looking at wet weather developing this afternoon and into the evening. I want to talk to you about the weather impacts. It is not an alert. We're not looking at severe weather or flooding rain, but I do expect a decent amount of rain coming through with showers and maybe a couple of storms in the mix as well. You'll definitely need to keep that rain gear handy if you're out and about this evening. You'll notice the rain chances still pretty low through most of the day. I do think we'll start seeing some showers over parts of the area. We've seen already on the radar this morning some returns, but really hasn't been making it down to the ground. Later, though, it is going to, and eventually the rain becomes probable through the late afternoon and into the evening. By late evening, as we go past midnight, things will dry back out. Take a look at the month of February. The red days indicating above average temperatures, the blue below. We've certainly had our share of both during this month. More recently, though, it has been warm. 71 on Tuesday, 67 on Wednesday. Today, we're going to be back up into the low 70s. And then look at the rain. When you add all of this together, we are just outside the top 10 wettest Februarys on record. We're about a third of an inch from cracking the top 10, and we're going to take a look at the rainfall projections by some of the model stuff here in just a moment. So we are going to get some more rain tonight. Highs today near 72, 56 tomorrow. So notice a drop behind the cold front. Back up to 65 on Saturday. A stronger front comes through. It's not going to have any moisture to work with. We are looking at mostly sunny skies through the weekend, but it will turn sharply colder Sunday into Monday. Temperatures recover next week. As I mentioned, it is going to be mostly sunny, 65 on Saturday. On Sunday, we have a morning low of about 32 and an afternoon high around 43. A lot of stuff going on. There's a walk in Portsmouth to raise awareness. I believe it's called the Coldest Night, and it is going to be pretty chilly out there overnight Saturday night into Sunday morning, low 30s again. And for the One City Marathon up in Newport News, it's going to be a little breezy in the morning. I was looking at the winds coming in from the north-northwest, probably around 15 to 20 miles per hour, some gusts close to 20 to 25. So again, a little breezy out there Sunday morning for the marathoners. Just be mindful of that north wind or the north-northwest wind. All right, all across the region, temperatures cooler on Sunday as well. Talking about D.C. with a high of 41, 44 in Richmond. You can see Charlottesville, 63 Saturday, 44 on Sunday. And at the Outer Banks, mid-60s Saturday, with upper 30s to near 40 and breezy on Sunday. Speaking of our coastal areas, let's check out the marine forecast. In the Bay, we have small craft advisory conditions. Same for the ocean waters east of Virginia Beach. Gusts today could reach about 25 knots, and we're going to see those seas offshore about 3 to 5 feet. The wet weather's out there. There is a frontal boundary. This is going to drag through our area, triggering the showers, especially late afternoon and through the evening. What looks like rain this morning, a lot of that not really making it down to the ground. As I've checked around the regional observations at 6 and 7 o'clock, we haven't had a lot of reports of rain. So showing cloudy skies, this stuff kind of happening aloft, but later today we will see our chances for rain. You see that as the model picks it up and then brings that rain into play by late afternoon. Now I stop it here at 6:30. Notice the orientation from the northeast to the southwest. This line is working eastward, but there could be some moderate to heavier cells. And where you get one followed by another, as the line works eastward, we're going to see some areas getting a little more rainfall. Could be moderate to heavier at times into the evening. As we go past 8:30, 9 o'clock, it becomes more widespread into northeast North Carolina. And the showers are already ending up in the peninsula back towards Williamsburg and Richmond. You'll be dry in Wakefield by 8:30. As we go past 9 and 10 o'clock, most of the rain pulls east of Virginia Beach, and then for the Outer Banks, it'll linger through about, say, 11 or so. After that, things do dry out, and we clear out for tomorrow morning. Temperatures, as we get into Friday, they're going to be cooler thanks to the northwest wind, back to average. And then looking ahead to Saturday, the winds come back to the south. That sets up a warmer day again with mid-60s expected, maybe even mid to upper 60s for some areas. Temperatures turn colder with that next push of cool air coming in on Sunday. Take a look again, general rainfall amounts through overnight. We're going to see maybe up to half an inch in some areas, but generally lighter amounts in here. Will we get into that top 10 list for February rainfall? Maybe. Heavier rain more likely down to the south, half an inch to an inch for Chesapeake, Virginia Beach, maybe out towards Franklin as well. Probably less than that around Norfolk at the airport, but it's going to be close, so we'll keep an eye to that and let you know. Temperatures today close to 72, as I mentioned, mid-70s for Suffolk and Franklin. We will see the rain developing late in the day and this evening. Up in the peninsula, rain gets started a little bit earlier, upper 60s to low 70s. Gloucester around 68, cooler on the eastern shore, also upper 60s at the Outer Banks. Rain chances this evening across northeast North Carolina. Tonight, look for the evening rain, then clearing and cooler as we go past midnight. 42 the low. Tomorrow back up to 56. That is seasonably mild. We expect highs right around 56 this time of year. We'll be back up around 65 on Saturday. As I mentioned, another cold push of air Sunday into Monday with highs in the low to mid 40s. Tuesday will be around 58, and we'll see a high near 70 on Wednesday. Have a great day.